In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change logo and favicon of your agency account in GoHighLevel. Branding your account makes your clients feel right at home, and GoHighLevel gives you a simple path to update what they see. We'll start from anywhere inside your account. At the top of the screen, look for the dashboard name. This is usually the current location you're viewing. Click that name to open the quick switcher. From there, choose Switch to Agency View. This moves you from a single location into the agency-level controls where your white label branding lives. Once you're in Agency View, head to the left-hand menu and click Settings. Inside Settings, open the Company section. This is where your agency-wide information and visual identity are managed. Within Company, go to the White Label tab. You're now in the right place to change what appears across the platform for your users. Find the option to Upload Logo and click it. Select a clean, high-resolution version of your logo from your computer. A transparent PNG usually looks the most professional, especially against different backgrounds. If you have both a horizontal and a square logo, pick the one that remains legible at smaller sizes and in tighter spaces. Keep an eye on contrast. If your logo is dark, make sure it's visible on darker headers, and consider using a light version if your brand provides one. After you upload, give the system a moment to process. You'll see a preview, and your updated logo will propagate throughout the app interface your clients see. In the same white label area, you'll also find the field for your favicon, the tiny icon that appears in browser tabs. Choose a simple, square mark that's recognizable even when it's very small. A minimal version of your logo, ideally a 32 by 32 or 64 by 64 pixel PNG, works best. Avoid thin lines or small text that can blur at tab size. Upload it the same way, allow it to process, and you'll notice it update in the browser tab as caches refresh. If you don't see changes right away, that's normal. Give it a minute, refresh the page, or open a new tab. Sometimes your browser cache needs a little time to catch up. Finally, double-check how everything looks in both light and dark modes, and on desktop and mobile, to make sure your brand stays crisp and readable everywhere. That's it. Your agency's logo and favicon are now updated, polished, and on brand across